sabihin ko lang kung ano ginawa ni Michelle dito, no?
Sige po kasi lang mukha.
So today, she filed a cyber libel case against Mr. Cian Gaza and 4 Facebook pages. So yun po yung mga nagpapalabas ng mga false news against Michelle. Napakarami na po, halos araw-araw may mga lumalabas na mga maling impormasyon tungkol po kay Michelle. In fact, meron pong isa pa doon na nasa ibang bansa daw siya at tumakas. So here, she's here. Kita niyo naman, never po siyang umalis ng bansa. And lagi naman po kami humaharap sa inyo at sinasabi namin sa inyo kung ano po ang aming mga statement at ano po yung aming stand sa mga allegations sa kanya. So, yun po yung purpose, kaya po nandito si Michelle to file that case against these persons and these pages.
Michelle, how is everything affecting you right now? Kamusta ka?
Well, of course, I'm human.
Camera lang po.
I've been better, pero may tiwala naman po sa sistema natin. Tapos alam ko rin po, nalalabas na ng katotohanan.
Do you feel worried, ma'am?
Do I feel worried? I know I'm on the right side of this. I know that, again, na I put my trust in our system, and I know that lalabas naman po ang mga kailangan lumabas. Am I worried? I'm just happy to be celebrating Chinese New Year very soon. Happy Chinese New Year po sa ating lahat.
Ano po reaction niyo sa paglabas ni Totoy?
Paglabas po.
Ni Totoy, pagsalita po niya. Anong reaction niyo po doon?
Siguro po hindi mo na siya magbibigay ng statement regarding sa case po. Since it's under investigation, so to be safe about it, hindi na lang po muna siya magbibigay ng statement.
Ma'am, nakakapag-usap kayo nila Rian Ramos.
Siyempre magkasama kami sa bahay. So nag-uusap kami araw-araw.
Going back kay Cian Gaza, is this the first time na may mga sinabi siya against you and especially with Rian at sa group po niya?
By first time, of course, I've seen things from years back, but let's just leave the case and the details to the necessary departments. Kaya po naman tayo dito kasi may tiwala po tayo sa tamang proseso. And kaya andito po ako. It's a very challenging topic to deal with social media. I know I'm not the only one affecting this. I know it's part of my job as well. But with everything going on, kaya dapat lumapit lang po tayo sa mga tamang officials for them to extend their help as well. And I'm here to call for accountability. Alam ko naman na artista ko, I'm a beauty queen also. I know scrutiny is always part of the job. Pero in cases like this, of course, it's a call for accountability against fake news, against misinformation. It's hindi po to teleserye, mga totoong buhay po ang naapektuhan. Sana we're diligent in looking for the right news and the right information.
Scrutiny is part of the job. If you don't mind, ano yung mga fake news na gusto mo linawin? Na especially coming from Cian Gaza and yung mga pages na nagpapalaganap na.
I'm sure in the next few days, mas marami pong lalabas na detalye. To those that maybe know kung ano yung mga posts na yun, I think the point here is na hindi i-normalize yung pagsasalita ng ganun towards mga babae. I think we should respect women's rights and privacy, especially if they're fake. But I think lalabas naman yan in the next few days.
I'm sorry to say this, pero how do you feel na parang nasa-sexualize kayo? Especially, you've seen posts, especially from Cian, right? Although wala naman kami pake kung ano man yung gender.
Thank you.
Pero how do you feel about it?
Like I said, I'm a public figure. I've built my whole platform around standing with love, respect, and kindness. I've built my whole career out of blood, sweat, and tears. So, of course, to be the subject of scrutiny, it's not the first time, of course. Pero syempre nakakasakit kasi sometimes people with scandals like this, they forget what you've done for your career and the hard work you've put. But again, it's also part of the job. To be a public figure, you know, everyone is open to their own opinions. I respect all opinions. I respect constructive criticism, but there is a line that is crossed in terms of defamation and intentionally trying to take your career out of your hands. And that's why I'm here, just to call for accountability and for everyone to sana, if you're going through the same thing, to just speak up and ask the proper authorities to help you.
Message mo kay Sian Gasa.
I don't have a message for him.
Attorney, sorry ha, pero message mo rin.